Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to deposit check in Cash App. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now in order to deposit a check in Cash App, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the Cash App app on your mobile device, then tap the banking tab, and then you're gonna have to simply tap checks. Enter the check amount and take a photo of the front and back of the check, then review and confirm the check details, and then simply tap deposit. So basically that's all you have to do. Then you're gonna have to simply wait 1 to 3 business days, and then you're gonna see the money in your Cash App account. So basically this is how you can deposit check in Cash App. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.